Hello, welcome. Let us have a class. Let us solve a problem based on equation of a straight line. The problem is find the equation of a straight line passing through the origin. We know the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0 and through the point of intersection of the lines 5x plus 7y is equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So, very simple. Let us find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. By solving these two equations, we can find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. After getting that, the equation of the line passing through origin at that point, simple only. Let me solve this for you. The two equations are 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So your coefficient of x is 5, your coefficient of x is 2. In order to make the coefficients of x same, let us multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 5. So 2 into 5x plus 7y equal to 2 into 3. This is 5 into 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 into 7. So we get 10x plus 14y is equal to 6. 10x minus 15y is equal to 35. Okay? 10x minus, let us subtract. 10x minus 10x is cancelled. 14y plus 15y is 29y is equal to minus 29, or y is equal to minus 29 by 29. That gives you 1. So the value of y we got 1. Let us find the value of x. Okay? Simpler equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. 2x minus 3 into minus y equal to 7. Or 2x plus 3 is 7. That implies 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. Or x is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. That means the coordinates of x value 2 we got and y value minus 1 we got. So the coordinates of the point of intersection is minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, point of intersection equal to 2 minus 1. Okay? Now we have to find the equation passing through origin and this point. Okay? So we know the coordinates of 2 points by using 2-point formula, formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. By using 2-point formula, we can find the equation of a line. Okay? So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. y2, we can take x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 is 0, minus of y1 is minus 1. x2 also 0, minus 2 is equal to y. So we have taken y2 is 0 in this one. So y1 is minus 1 by x minus xy is 2. That implies only 1 by minus 2 equal to y plus 1 by x minus 2. That implies x minus 2 equal to minus 2y minus 2. Both the sides minus 2 is cancelled. So x plus 2y equal to 0 is the required equation. I hope this is clear to you. That is what we have to find the equation of a straight line, and this is the required equation of the straight line which is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines, that is 2 minus 1, and the origin, that is 0, 0.